Hi everyone. In this short video, let's understand what is Power BI and why every database projects need Power BI some way or the other. This is your Sai Fanindra from SQL School. For 2 decades of dating with databases, since my first job at Microsoft, BGIT project, let me tell you, reporting, analysis, visualizations, dashboarding activities, and end user apps play vital role in adding color to our data. And Power BI is one of the healthiest, greatest, colorful environments from Microsoft. I don't call it a tool, but instead it's a great environment. Yes, it has a lot of tools inside it. It has a lot of hosting platforms inside it. And you know what? Microsoft keeps updating Power BI interface, keeps improving Power BI since last 1 decade. It has been improving and updating the interface like anything. Now, let's understand more about Power BI. In my 100% hands-on classes with Power BI real-time projects, I will be teaching you complete practical stuff on Power BI on various data activities, various data platforms, and various data stage concepts, including file formats, database formats, websites, APIs, apps, social media, and databases, including warehouses. Now, the question here, okay, we learned that Power BI is more into reporting, but where to start? How to start? Remember, you see on my screen, remember one thing, Power BI is a great reporting, analytics, and dashboarding suite of tools. Simply say great visualization environment. It can report any type of data, any amount of data, no exceptions at all. Then the question remains where to start. Yes, in my classes for Power BI, I am going to start with SQL first. Let's understand more about the databases, SQL, query tuning concepts, Excel integrations, data formatting, data lineage activities, modeling activities, normal forms, joins, group by, query tuning, etc. So that we'll be ready for our actual Power BI job roles. Power BI developer, Power BI data analyst. My technical practical classes will also help you a lot if you are planning for business analyst job role or cloud BI developer or senior data engineer job role. I am sure my examples, my scenarios, project work that we do for our resume will surely win the safest possible job role for your next job with higher CTC. Let's understand that Power BI is a common friend for multiple technologies, including Fabric and Azure Data Stack, SQL, and Power BI Data Analyst Stack. Using Power BI, we have good number of real-world applications, including big data platform technologies, healthcare technologies, and finance, marketing, account projects do all have Power BI in their daily job activities. In my Power BI training classes, I'll be teaching you for next 2 months. This Power BI training classes for next 2 months, I'll be teaching you practically every aspect needed to become a true Power BI professional. Further, we have one certification from Microsoft called PL300. part of my training classes, I'll be teaching you how to win better score, the best possible score for PL 300 certification, including one real-time project. Resume optimizations. Power BI to cloud, Power BI report server implementations, dashboard optimizations, security concepts, CI/CD implementations in Power BI. Let me tell you, friends, there are very less number of places in this world where you can get the correct trainer and the perfect teaching. I don't want to say that I am the one, no, but I am pretty sure few of the resources you find online. That is for sure based on the feedback and based on the level of content that we experience every day. Let's learn the best. Let's learn from the best. You learn from me or any other trusted source you like, but make sure we learn it completely. Power BI is not a tool, it has multiple tools, multiple technologies, and multiple hosting platforms. We should learn everything as per Power BI ecosystem as well as Power BI architecture step by step. You wanted to learn from me? Yes, I am here to do my duty carefully for sure, 100% practical approach. But I need your promise. Yes, I need your promise. On time practice. I am here to provide you technical, practical exposure to every concept with detailed examples. You need to practice them on time. I am here to provide you session wise, chapter wise assignments in addition to examples. And I expect you to submit your assignments on time. Then we can have weekly mock interviews. Yes, my team will be conducting weekly mock interviews. We have nice projects for your resume. We have complete guidance for your PL 300 certification exam from Microsoft exclusively for Power BI. I will take it step by step carefully. Need your support. Just make sure you enjoy every length and depth of the course step by step with my examples, and with your support I can happily make you win your interview, first interview for Power BI. We are here to provide you the placement assistance in addition to certification guidance and resume optimizations. All we need your on time practice of my class examples, daily assignments, weekly mock interviews. Now, who can become a Power BI professional? Anyone, everyone. Either you go for live online, self-paced videos, or in-house classroom training in our Hyderabad facility, same content, same curriculum, and it is the same training for everyone, but you do more, you get more. I mean, participants who practice more, submit their on-time assignments before the next class, who take part in mock interviews, and who try to attempt the project work. Before I give my complete solution and explanation, you do more, pretty sure we can have more chances of winning more and more content from me. So anyone, everyone can join my course. I will be teaching you from the scratch, step by step. I will make you job ready. I will make you win the best possible CTC for your next job. I will take care of it. I'll make sure I optimize your resume. But all I need your support, on time practice, that's only thing. Thank you so much and wish you all the very best. Make sure we learn together and love the subject together. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice time.